Kids, today we will read the CVC word.
Yeah!
Let's start. Sound of letter A is A, and sound of letter B is B. A, B. Ab, ab. Sound of letter C is K. Ab, cab. I see a yellow cab. Sound of letter M is L, and we attach this sound with ab. L, ab, lab. He works in a lab. D, ab, dab. It is in the red tab. Now sound of letter A is A, and sound of letter D is D. Add, D, add. B, add, bad. Do not say bad words to anyone. The, add, dad. I love my dad. S, add, sad. She is sad. Ma, add, mad. He looks mad. Sound of letter A is A, and sound of letter M is M. Add, M, M. The, M, damn. This is a big dam. J, M, jam. I like to eat jam. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe Fun for Everyone for more videos. Thank you.